All right, so I believe this is recording. Let's take a look at these 6 problems. They're all in reference to this graph. It all requires us to read points off of this graph, but truly the difficulty is understanding the notation. So in problem number 1, this is asking you to evaluate this function when x is equal to -2. It's asking for the corresponding y value. So when x is -2, what point is on the graph? Well, this point is the point that's on the graph, so the y-coordinate there is +2, and that's our answer for number 1. -8, here's the point on the graph that has an x-coordinate of -8, and the y-coordinate is 4, and that's what it's asking for. Here, to evaluate this function when x is equal to 3, here is 3 right here, and this point has an x-coordinate of 3 and a y-coordinate of -3. To evaluate f at 7, when x is 7, here's 7. This point has an x-coordinate of 7. The y-coordinate is -1. Now, in problems 5 and 6, again, it's referencing points, but look, it's not telling you what x is. It's telling you what y is. So it wants us to find the value or values of x when y is 1. Well, when y is 1, we're right here. So, here, I want to change colors. That, when y is 1, I can see that this point has a y-coordinate of 1. This point has a y-coordinate of 1. This point has a y-coordinate of 1. And way over here, this point has a y. So I have 4 different x values that all have a y-coordinate of +1. That's happening at x is equal to -5, at x is equal to -3, at x is equal to -1, and at x is equal to 9. What about -2? Well, down here is -2. This point and this point each have y-coordinates that are -2. That's occurring when x is +2, y is -2. When x is 6, y is -2. So there's our answers for these first 6. I hope that helps. Like I say, all it is just reading points off the graph, but you do have to understand the notation and the way the question is phrased. Talk to you later. Bye.